Hello everyone, welcome back to another cooking adventure in Kim's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some cornmeal porridge, which is a very deculent and creamy Jamaican breakfast food. Preferably you'd use carnation milk as your base. However, today I did not have this, so I used cow's milk, which is what I had on hand. First, you're going to need to portion your cornmeal. In this case, I used about a cup and a half. I added water and proceeded to whisk to free it of any clumps, lumps, or bumps. To flavor the base of our porridge, I've added 2 cinnamon sticks in the beginning process. Next, when the milk has come to a slight boil, we are going to add our cornmeal and proceed to whisk as to prevent any lumps and bumps from developing. This whisking in the beginning is one of the most important steps in having a creamy, delicious porridge. You need to stir until it has thickened to prevent any lumps in your porridge. Cooking time takes approximately 20 minutes and you're going to whisk frequently during this time. My friend would say right this so. Here we have our creamy mixture, ready to be sweetened. No lumps, no bumps. As Jamaicans, we pride ourselves in our creamy porridge, so here we have the perfect technique to achieve such. Although this looks so delicious, it is not finished. It is now time to sweeten it. We are going to use our condensed milk and some sugar. We are going to also proceed to add some vanilla, almond essence, nutmeg, and powdered cinnamon. And if you know me by now, I will also add a pinch of salt. For this, guys, there is no measurement. This is all by soul and to your own taste. So mix away and enjoy. Follow the technique. Mix as soon as you add your cornmeal to your water or milk, and you will achieve this rich, creamy end product. Thank you for watching and enjoy. Now before you go, please remember to like and comment. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you next time.